All right. Good morning, Hilder. Damn, you're fast again. On your A game. All right, well, let's start with the cues. Actually, no, we won't. Q's trying to push back up. We got our second leg. A little more aggressive angle. I'd like to say we break above that 271.82 today, if we're bullish. Let's go to Apple. Apple's in a solid range still. Probably put that on the list today. Damn near got all the lines I need drawn on NVIDIA. Let's just clear this anyway. I always like to start fresh. 30 minute. Let's go for the angle. Move that one. Yeah, I like that better. More to the top side of our rising channel here. Let's write that. All right, let's go to the 5 minute. Get our closer lines. 452 looks like what it needs to break though, because that above that gap had a gap right here. And then I'd say watch the high of yesterday, and then the top of the trend. Below, I'd say bottom of trend is your worst case, but below pre-market low looks really good, which almost lines up with yesterday's low. So we'll mark those two. NVIDIA above. Should have probably passed 452 before I have a chance to finish this list, but I'll go back and look. $443.75. Good morning to everyone who joined so far. Thank you for being here. You don't even have to drop a like. I just wanted to drop this for just my server, because there's honestly like 3 or 4 servers that I'm in, but I try to keep everything like that's continuous and consistent with my server. So if I'm doing something daily or I'm doing a routine, I'm gonna do it with my guys over doing it with other servers. Other servers, I'll just give my list. I'm not really giving any more info than that anymore. But I appreciate every single person who's in here right now. So thank you. Let's go to AMD. Yanni might do AMD. I forgot he's here. Yanni, I'll leave AMD alone. I like this level the most though, because you got a slight resistance here, support, support on 2 different days, so you know that there's definitely a support there. I can't even draw a trend line. It drew that line anyway. 8403. And then it was just marking the high, so there's no other in between retracement. Price level. I think no matter what, for AMD to be bullish, 85.50 is what to watch for. It's going to be a little more bearish if it breaks below the 84s. I won't mark it on the list. I'm just kind of going over it. Snap still in this trend. So we had 1 leg up. You could even say 2 leg up. Now we're trying to have a leg down. A lower high made, and we're squeezing again. The rising or falling wedge though, so that's bullish. So I'm gonna say break it down. Square, let's clear this one again. Oh, my bad, I just saw your message. It said Facebook bull flag on 10-day 1 hour. Just gonna click 1 hour. Ooh. Kind of got like a falling wedge, but that can just be as good as a... That's pretty much what a flag is. That's so clean. Now we need to see what support is right here though. On our 2 peaks. That's where price needs to hold. If price doesn't hold, that discontinuation pattern can fall. Good eye though, Hilder. Amazing eye. Let's see here. Let's zoom in. I'm gonna add that. There's a nice little gap here. That'd be kind of cool. If it broke above today's pre-market high, it'd pretty much be in that gap, which would give it really good room to run into at least this one lower high. So above 249.45, you got at least $1.40. So that's kind of cool. So you're gonna get a quick explosion here on Apple if it actually does break this. I would just be more patient and wait for the actual squeeze to be broken, because this right here is a lot cleaner. I would wait for the break of one of these levels, because you know you're going to get a support catch here, and you get any kind of rising volume, and you're going to be able to play the calls up to the way to the top of this at least. Best case, though, I would just wait. I'd wait for it to fail this continuation pattern or complete it and pop out with rising volume. And then you can double confirm by seeing it pass up this peak right here. But you'll be able to see it pop out of this peak. It's going to happen either today or tomorrow, though, so most likely. And all I did was mark those two peaks. I didn't even mark any other levels. But that's where it's bounced off support with that wick. That's where it bounced off support here. So you know there's definitely a support there. And it almost did here. It did it with that wick, but not with the candle. So let's say... let's mark the rest. High. Open. Close close enough. Closes right here, which is being used as support. I'm going to say above 250. Let's just say 251s. I probably will just say 247.80. Just say 75. Jeremy said, all right, we can match your levels, Jeremy. We got a little bit of time. It's clear. I already got it. It's marked above 175.19, 175.19. I think I already see why you did that one. And below 170, 171.18. Alright, that's a good range. You didn't do bad on that. It sucks you have to leave this information out, but I probably would have done the same. Because you got this, and it's damn near your pre-market high, so why not? I would at least mark this so you know that it's there. Oh, that's why you said take profit at 177. Good job. Use it as a re-entry. Below 171.18. I'd say use this as your target price. You get a bigger drop here than you do a jump just from this time frame. I like that though, Jeremy. Here, wait, let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, see, look. They look like a super strong uptrend right now. Which price is trying to fail this line here. So BA in its way is squeezing on the hour. I wonder if we're just creating another lower high to come back down and test this level again. This level is important because it's the support or resistance turn support from this descending triangle to this descending triangle. Only difference is this one broke down to the upside, this one broke down to the downside. So Probably just making another lower high. It's starting to reach back into this zone again. So keep an eye on that level. If it breaks back above this, what is this, 184.90s, which this is in the future. I'm just talking along longer terms. That'll probably turn back bullish if it can re-break back above this. But no, I like those levels, Jeremy. Here, we can mark that up too, and I'll even put your name next to it. Which I think it was this one that Helder pointed to. What's going on here? I see what you were saying. Microsoft is on a symmetrical triangle, or am I reaching? It depends on what hour or time frame you're looking at. Then y'all said Microsoft is in the middle line. I'm playing the past few days. Damn, bro, look at Jeremy. The rising shadows on the 4 hour. It has a lot about. It had a lot of play about that midline this week, though, so we will see. All right, price level. Let's mark that. This BA break below is kind of strong. This is a bearish squeeze. Jeez. Strong uptrend. Square's been following PayPal, by the way, if anyone hasn't seen that. I learned that from our friend Yanni the other day. Just gonna send this to my friend real quick. We can go look at some more though. Alright, I saw someone type overstock. Jeremy said, "Oh shit, I haven't eaten yet. I gotta go eat real quick." Go eat. Can you look at OSDK? Back it up to the 1 hour. Jeez. I don't know when I drew that line. Must have drawn a long time ago, though. It's crazy. You got like one leg up. Come on. Then you got like a second leg up with a different angle. Then you have an even sharper third angle coming up now on overstock. So you got like 3 strong leg ups. Let's back that up. Yeah, they've never done that. Oh, wait. This is why I do this. Wait, clear the chart. Can't see anything. Let's just mark, without looking to the right, let's just mark some pretty crucial levels. Marking both shoulders of that. Marking both shoulders of that. Now let's go on over to 2020. And utilize this one. Somewhat this one. Got support here and pushed up more. So honestly, what you need to be looking for is another candle to pop up here and catch support here on the daily. That's how you know you'll have another bullish movement if this is a bullish candle. So I'd be looking for a continuation. You did have rising volume here though. Which almost every time you're going to have rising volume, you're either going to have a continuated volume or you're going to have a seller reaction candle. So probably tomorrow you'll have a red day. Let's just say you have a red day, but don't let it scare you. It'll probably catch support here. That's what you want. You want it to have a red day, but support on one of these two. So you can have another push up to make a higher high. Then you'll have something like this. You'll have like that, and then that, and then that, and then you'll have a seller reaction again. And then you just don't want to get scared of that. And then you have another couple days of volume come in. Let's go look at Beyond. I saw Oscar type that. I didn't put it on the list today, but it is very tight. I'm probably going to use it as an extra side play. Said 134, 132. Damn, yeah. Tight range. High, low. And you got a lot of the pre-market info as well as yesterday's info. So very strong range. Probably going to use this as a side play. QCOM, it's tight. Rick said QCOM as well. Ooh, tight, yes. That is so. Let's back it up though. Because I'm sure this is what y'all mean. I'm only marking it from this point because I'm just marking it after this slight move up. So that's all I was doing. We can still mark this peak though, because that is the peak. Almost came down and got support. Following this trend though. Kind of another rising wedge, more of a bull flag on top of a continuated pattern. So probably just going to have another continuation bounce. I would definitely watch for, let's see. Let's go closer in. Yeah, I really would like to see it break this high, this 112.30s high, just to show that we are trying to at least push for a newer high at 113, which I think it will if it just pushes past this one. I don't think this one's the true stop there. And then below, I'd say right here, just because you got all this information, got all that support catch. But if you want to go off pre-market levels, you can, because it is pretty tight. I mean, you have it in like what, a 112 to 110.20s range, so you have it in the less than $2 range still, which $2 whole dollars, but that's not that big, especially for QCOM, which is an over $100 stock. So that's all I'd be looking at. I think I'm gonna end the stream here though. I'm gonna go post the list in the chats, and then I'm gonna post that Beyond side play in my chat. If you're not a full-time member, I'd highly suggest you do, because you get access to my channel, you get access to Chef Zone's channel, which Chef's chat is just amazing. I really do like going through his chat. Yeah, we went over a little bit of BA, Mason. Just scroll back and look real quick. I can go back and look again. All I did was mark these crucial levels from pre-market, and then I marked the high above it, because this is just what's above it right now. It's in like 2 or 3 squeezes all at the same time. I was saying this level is very crucial, because this is the level between the descending triangle from before that broke up, and then the descending triangle that we just played to the downside that actually broke down. So it's in between a bunch of crucial levels as well as a crucial squeeze. It pushed price back up into the crucial squeeze, so we'll be able to play BA again either today or tomorrow, probably. But play your pre-market levels, stick to your risk management. I swear, if I see any of you going in with like 100% of your money and then you're quitting trading the next day, that's your fault, not anyone's fault. That person that went into testimonies chat the other day does that. And his shit advice they all saw in the testimony wasn't even from our server. It was from an entire other server. Instead of just reading what I gave him, he wanted to go and gamble a bunch of money on plays he's never even looked at. Which, why are you trading oil if you don't even understand how oil works? Don't trade energy if you don't understand how energy works. So it's hilarious. If you're betting enough to make you quit trading in one trade, then you're gambling way too much. If one trade can put you over, you need to quit trading like that. That's going to hurt you mentally. I appreciate everyone who joined. I really do appreciate everyone. I'll see you guys in the voice chat. I'm going to go drop everything in chats and stuff. I'll see you guys. Thank you for being here, for real.